Kids who are under 5 years of age often suffer from frequent cold cough, which can even last for 3 to 4 weeks. This cough may often be associated with sneezing, runny nose, or rubbing of the eyes. It may be worse at night. These symptoms are often allergic in nature, and homeopathy offers an excellent solution to these kind of complaints. Homeopathy not only puts the coughing child to relief, but it also helps to prevent future such recurrence. If a child is troubled at every change of weather or from every time eating an ice cream or having some sweets, then don't worry and choose homeopathy for your child.